morning, crafty friends, and happy Saturday. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. How has your week been?
Amazing.
Good.
I love the sunshine we're getting right now. I'm so glad we are almost to summer.
I know. Come on, weather.
Yes.
We are getting the ups and downs of spring here in the Midwest, and some days it's 80 and then some days it's 55.
Yes.
So we're making it through, ready for summer around here, and getting excited about this week's release. So what you are tuning in for today is our release reveal video. We like to give you the earliest sneak peek of what's coming on Tuesday.
Yes, we do.
It has been a favorite collection for many of you, our customers. You know that with every order, we give you a freebie. And this month this year, we've been following the Critter Crew collection, which has been so fun. Every month, it's a new critter and joins the previously released critters, and you can build a whole scene and add fun elements to them to make birthday cards. And we have some new things that you can put your critters in and new things that you can put on your critters to give them even more versatility. So this week's release is called Critter Crew Couture.
Ooh!
Isn't that fun?
Fancy word!
Yes, so we are excited to share with you what's coming on Tuesday. But first, let me tell you about our promotion this week. I'm going to pop it up on the screen here. When you purchase our Critter Crew Couture bundle, you will get a coupon for $10 off a future order. So that's going to come in your package with your bundle. You can see some of those bundle products there, and that's what we're going to walk through today. So let's get started taking a look at what is part of our Critter Crew Couture release. First up, we have some fun ways that you can put your critters into a scene. We have our instant photo frames die set, and that is 3 separate kind of Polaroid frames. As you know from our Critter Crew card, the collection card, they all come in a little Polaroid, kind of showing them in a little scene. And so we thought it would be fun to add card size dies to our collection. So you can put your critters, 1 or 2 or 3 of them, in a Polaroid frame. And then to add on to that, we have the instant photo strip die. So you can add, like they're in a little photo booth together.
I love this.
Can't you just picture them together in a photo booth, getting their pictures taken? So this is the instant photo strip. Fits really nicely on both an A2 and a mini slim card.
Cute.
Let's take a look at some of the samples from the design team. So using the instant photo frames here, this one from Heather, she used the medium size photo frame, I believe. Is that the medium size or is that the small?
It looks like it to me, yes.
Yes, so that is the medium size photo frame that she added 3 times on her card using this month's freebie collection, which is the Flamingo. So that flamingo is going to come free with every order you place this month at Tailored Expressions. And I love how Heather shared a way to use it on this cute card. And then also Jill grabbed the instant photo strip with 3 of our previously released critters. This was January, and I believe the hedgehog was February, and the bee was April.
Cute.
So aren't those adorable in that little frame? You make life sweet. And take a look at what they're carrying. She's got a little envelope in his arm, a little envelope in the turtle's mouth. Let's look at one of the additional sets we have for this release. We have Critter Crew Holiday Editions. So you might remember our previously released offering was called Critter Crew Birthday Editions. Now we have little hats and icons that you can add on to your Critter Crew. So you can put a little elf hat or a Santa hat on any of our critters. A witch hat for Halloween. We have our patriotic Uncle Sam hat, even a grad cap if you're celebrating graduations this time of year. We've got our Thanksgiving pilgrim hat and some other little accoutrements like for St. Patrick's Day, you have the little pot of gold. For Halloween, a pumpkin. We've got a present for Christmas, a beer that goes along with the St. Patrick's Day theme, and then that little envelope that Jill used Wouldn't that be adorable? Actually, I use the envelope on my card too. It's one of my favorite little additions to this set.
You get them all
Crew.
in that set too.
I know.
That's so nice.
You can really follow along every holiday with that free stamp that you get throughout the year. So Critter
That's
Crew
adorable.
holiday editions. I forgot to mention it's a stamp and it comes with the coordinating dies to cut out all of those little pieces and place them on your critters. Next up, another thing to put on your critters. We have Little Bits glasses. Aren't they cute?
Yes.
These little sunglasses just in time for summer. Now, this is a card that Sue made. These are just, you can use them without the backer and you can get glasses instead of sunglasses. So you get both glasses and sunglasses in one tiny little set. There are some really fun different styles of glasses. And one of the things I want to mention, currently the bunny and the bee, I believe, are the only two critters that can fit with glasses. They are the only two forward-facing critters that we have currently, but there are more to come. So if you're thinking, oh, I might not use these glasses very much, wait until you see the critters. For June, July, and August, you are going to want these glasses. I also wanted to share with you, I took a look through our entire collection of critters, and I wanted to show you how adorable these glasses look on several of the critters that we have.
This makes my heart pitter patter. I'm
Isn't
like,
it
look at this.
cute? Little flower style sunglasses. We've got our little sharks with glasses on. The frogs fit with the glasses, and then several other. This is one of our cat sets. And then our floaties, Return of the Floaties.
I love those guys.
I mean, if anything needs sunglasses, it's the floaties.
Yes.
So super cute. I just wanted to show you guys many things in our collection do fit these sunglasses. So let's take a look at a couple more things we're bringing into the collection. For those of you who participated in our advent calendar last year, this may look familiar, but we are ready to bring it out into the full collection. We have our tiny little doodly boops.
Doodly boopers!
This is what Whitney calls doodly boops, and these are little things that you can stamp easily into the backgrounds of your cards. And this set is one that you received in the advent calendar. It's called Inky Doodles, and it has all these cute little flowers and asterisks and, party pieces like streamers and stars. Little smiley face in there too, so you can add a tiny little smile to just about any little die cut or blended element that you might have. Now we're adding on the Inky Doodles Holiday, so you can take those holiday additions, the little hats and such, and you can put your critter with little fireworks in the background. There's a snowflake, there's a shamrock, a heart for Valentine's Day. We've got a couple sizes of the bats and a couple different leaves as well. Now to use these, this was also in the advent calendar. This is our acrylic handle. So a lot of times when you're using these doodly boops, we have called this lovingly the doodly booper. On the website, you will not find it under that name.
It's not actually called that.
It is the acrylic handle. You can easily place your clear stamps on here, and when you don't need that super precise application like you get with your Misty, you can easily take and just kind of boop throughout your background to get this array of icons wherever you want. So those are now available in our full catalog. Let's take a look at one of the cards. This is actually what I will be creating on the live on Tuesday. I'm going to show you a technique for masking. So I loved the idea of stacking these little hedgehogs together, and we're going to do that using a masking technique. And of course, they needed something to be stacked up for, and so we've got our fun little cake that's blended here and die cut off to the side. So this is a previously released product. I'm excited to bring it back for the live on Tuesday. And then you'll see some of the little elements from the additions set. We've got the envelope and a couple of presents, and I used those doodly boops in the background.
This is why I think we talked, I love having a set that has all those little odd and ends, the doodly boops, because there's all those times when we say, we just need a little something right here.
Yes.
Just a little something. And it's so easy to just take that little acrylic handle and boop, boop, boop in those areas, and really brings the whole scene together.
It brings the party, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm excited to have the ones too that are holiday themed because I think that's really going to help in the future. It's so helpful to just have a set that has it all in there for you.
You just need that little extra. All right, let's take a look at another card. This one from Lori Craig. She paired up several of our critters. We've got the turtle, hedgehog, and flamingo with lots of presents. These are from our original birthday editions set. And I think that card turned out super cute with the new flamingo and the sentiments from the Flamingo Squawks clear set. Happy birthday, tickled pink for you. Such a cute little scene. And then I wanted to give you a sneak peek at the card that Susan will be teaching on Thursday for the live. So this is one of those spinner cards, and she's going to show you how to take this little bee and using our mirror mats to reflect the bee when you spin it and open it up. You can see how cute that is. So we're excited to share with you the thread that we use to create that spinner so it looks like it's just floating within that opening. And Susan will be using one of our past favorite quad stencils to blend that background.
Very cute card.
Tune in for that as well. All right, let's come back to everybody, and we are going to say our farewell here. All right, well, thank you for joining us for another release reveal. We are excited about the Critter Crew Couture. I'm really impressed with myself. I said that at least 4 or 5 times without stumbling.
Yes.
So I encourage all of you, Critter Crew Couture, just try it. It's not easy. All right, everybody, have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you back on Tuesday. Bye.